dresses inside the washing machine.
Good. Abdul, help him.
Let me do it. Oh yeah, wow. What the heck are these things?
Oh yeah, wait. Let me check this out.
Abdul, help him.
Any pocket.
This thing doesn't have any pocket.
Let me see.
Oh, I first check up your pockets. Let me check.
I don't have any pockets.
Why need to check the pocket?
Because if
the garbage gets inside the washing machine, maybe get broken. Steal things.
steel stuff, not even wooden stuff, not even plastic stuff, not even soft stuff. If no problem if they're little garbage. And look, you have to hit this thing. You have to push this thing, and this thing will turn on. That our daddy taped it.
Yeah.
The garbage will get out of here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now let's put the stuff inside.
Somehow it fell right here.
What?
Somehow the water. No pocket. Hey, there's a pocket. I think there's a pocket.
Well, Abba doesn't put anything inside those pockets. Ow, my eye. Ow. Ow.
No.
Get off. Don't.
Well, it's not. I think I have a pocket this way.
Make sure no dresses is sticking out. If you lock it, look. It'll stay stuck and the water won't fall into the drainage. And it'll block up the water.
Just make sure that never happens.
Or all of your money down to the drain, okay?
Yeah, all to down to the drain. That's a good joke.
Not even a joke, it's real. Everybody did this.
That good one.
Oh.
No, I don't see any.
I don't know if this will take this much. You were just standing with one dress already? I've been putting all of these thousands of dresses. Dude, if you have just liquid,
You have to be
this, if you have liquid detergent, you have to put it inside here. This is fabric, what is it?
Softener.
softener.
It's a fabric softener, and this is the detergent. You have to put it here. Look, if you close it,
Look, see?
everything will be stuck. Nothing will go.
Whoa, you put it right there.
Oh wow, that's how. And you have to check. Whoa, this thing's always happening. Well, one time I put it, my dress was stuck inside the door because I didn't even check my dress was stuck in there. Now we have to check what kind of dresses are these, and they're just wool.
Yeah.
They're just wool.
Wool? I have a wool dress. I have a wool dress.
It takes 40 minutes. So turn it on in here. Start. And this is pause. You see? It gave water.
That's good. Can we on it?
First you have to give, if you want the
Oxygen.
give 50. 50.
50.
Wait, it doesn't go to 50? Start. Hey,
Okay.
wait a second. Isn't that wool or sportswear? Look, see? The water drainage is coming over here. This little white thing you can see.
Yeah, this is white thing.
And look what happens. All the dresses are getting wet. And the water that you're seeing, wait, the temperature that you just gave, the water that is cold over there, make the water heat, then give some steam.
Well then.
And if you mix hot water and cold water together, it will turn into steam.
That might be a little bit dangerous, I think. I just think. Spin.
Oh, look, see? Look what happens. I want to check. I want to
This so good.
see. This thing gives the is connected, so the soap is coming out in here. Look, see. So little by little, soap is coming in out here.
Ooh, the touching is so.
If you put your door open, all the soap will just come out and the water too.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Yes, if you just open it for no reason, dumb people do this. That don't care and all the dresses just come out.
Whoa.
See? Look. The fabric's softener. See? It's all falling. The fabric softener is a little heavy. That's why it takes a little time.
Yeah, I like the soap. It's so shiny.
Soap is not so valuable.
Yeah, soap is diamond.
Look, see? Little by little, some water is also coming. After 52, the video won't end. We will just come back after 52 minutes to watch our other part.
Part 2.
To get out. And if it comes all to its length or all the way over here, then the water start draining. Will start draining. If you were this small, you could just swim over here for now.
Talk about the pipe.
See this pipe? This white pipe?
Yeah.
Look, every time you drain the water inside, the water comes inside here, and if the water's draining. The water's draining over here. All the water's getting out. See?
Wait.
All the water that you threw out of the basin, that the water comes inside here.
I gave some water.
It'll stay still for some seconds.
Dad, do we need to brush our teeth? Oh yeah, rebrushed.
Hello?
Part 2.
On part 1 that we just did, we put a detergent, everything. You can see it's totally empty. Look,
Yeah,
because behind them there's a kind of hole. The hole connects to the inside over there. So now after it's been 52 minutes. Now all the stuff are clean. Now we have to get them out. We have to bring them out of jail. Whoa. Let's start. Ow. Oh.
Hello.
What the? One last more spin. Now done. I can also do this, no problem. You stay. All of them that you're just seeing, you're outside, okay? Now you can see that I'm feeling them. They're 80% dry. They're not now 100%. Not even 99%. I put them all outside in over there.